much.
Hi Daktari Squad. If you've never seen me before, my name is Dr. Linda Modhoni, and if you have and you're part of Daktari Squad, welcome back. So today at Thrive Aesthetics, if you follow me on other platforms, you've probably seen me here before. I started my laser treatments last year, but I never finished. I think I had like three sessions and then I stopped. Not for any particular reason. I think I just procrastinated and then I stopped. But now I'm back to finish that. And then also, you guys don't know this, but a couple of months ago, I got a chemical peel. I will insert some pictures right here because it was crazy. So because of that, I ended up getting a lot of hyperpigmentation, which I know you guys probably can't tell because I usually put some concealer on right here, and also over time it has faded, but kuna mali imefika, my skin has just plateaued. So I decided to get some facials and also incorporate IV therapy just to expedite the process of getting my skin back to where it was. So yeah, basically that's what we're doing today. So I'll take you guys along with me as I get this. Oh, and by the way, if anyone is wondering, I'm getting the brightening drip, which has B12, glutathione, and vitamin C, not skin lightening, brightening. Basically just trying to get my skin back to where it was. So yeah, and there's also another ingredient, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'll probably put it on the screen. So yeah, come along with me as we get this IV therapy. I've asked for a fleece. Yeah, I was feeling a bit cold, but I'm someone who easily gets cold. I mean, you guys have seen my obsession for socks. Always buying socks. Every other day I'm buying socks. So it's not uncomfortable. Actually, it's gone by really fast. Maybe it's because I'm also in the middle of shooting content. But yeah, we're almost done. Let me show you how far it's gone. Finally, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Yeah? Now we can finish. So I need to change.
basic service. Today was exclusive of diesel filter. We've done the air cleaner, the cabin filter, the oil filter, and the oil, the engine oil. Then we've done an inspection of the coolant. I've also noted that your engine mount is broken.
My engine mount?
Yeah. That spillage you're seeing over there, that one is the hydraulic fluid for the engine mount. So that one is broken, it needs replacement. You have also done the inspection for the brakes, your brakes are still okay. So until next service, that's when we'll do the next inspection.
Nanini, so okay sir, now that this is broken, itakaa hivyo?
Haifai kukaa hivyo, because now when you go over the bumps or the rough road, you'll feel a very big impact over the pieces of the car. That needs to be replaced.
It'll take how long?
Maybe the next 30 minutes at most. Now you have to remove that engine mount.
So the engine mount has been changed. He is currently checking the what? I don't even know what he's checking, to be honest. So he needs to reset my car. And yeah, I'm done. That was quick and easy.
So medical service card?
Yeah, iko hapa.
Isi ile kale katraka ka insurance.
Actually ni babangu alieka. I think it just gives him peace of mind and I don't mind. 8,000?
Yes, 8,500. Service due in 6 months. It's either which.
So now he's running a diagnostic test to make sure that we didn't miss anything on the car. They're just small things like the radio, camera sensor. I've just told him that one of my side mirrors is misbehaving. I guess he's about to look into that.
15 cars.
In a day? Last you saw me, I was at Mugambi's. Nilishamaliziwa service kitambo. I'm now on my way to the car wash. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get there. And also I need to maybe pass by the supermarket. Actually where I am, there's a supermarket. I just feel lazy to go inside and buy whatever I need to get. But I just need to get mincemeat because Bday is passing by today and I promised him that I'd make meatballs. I'm so hungry, guys. Like the only thing I ate in the morning was just 3 pieces of Weetabix and a cup of milk. So yeah, I need to eat, but I've just been drinking water. And then this weather is so confused. Like 1 minute it's cold, now all of a sudden it's hot. Now everybody go chop breakfast. Shayo. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. Sorry. Good afternoon, Daktari Squad. So, today is Bara'S' birthday. It's Bara'S' birthday. It's also Cupid's birthday. When it comes to Cupid, she and I usually have like our own separate thing where we just link up and exchange gifts. She's having her thing with her friends today. Then she's Panga on a different day. Happy birthday, Cupid. Happy birthday, Bara. And then for Bara, we're having this thing where we're going for lunch at Gecko. Then we go to Antica. So we're linking up with all our friends. But I've already had breakfast. I'm hydrated, or rather I'm hydrating. Because Leo, yeah, it's going to be one of those days. The baby girl is ready. Oh wait, let me wear some accessories. That song is by Tetushani. I had completely forgotten about that song. Imekam kwa YouTube autoplay. Yani YouTube will take you back, you know, will remind you. You know what time it is? It's 2 p.m. and that's when we were supposed to meet at Gecko with Akina Bara. So I've called Bara. I'm like, listen, I don't know. Should I go get my nails done still? Ama, he's like, ay, yapana iyo. You're wasting my birthday. So for now, the plan is I'm waiting for Frida to come to me. And then we Uber to Gecko together. And then also I've called Singi. Who else is coming? I think Nawera also should be meeting us later. Lydia as well. By the way, listen, at this point, this birthday ni kani yangu. Because all those names are my friends. But of course, let me tell you, birthday baro kwa na watu wengi. May I always say birthday baro kwa public holiday. As in, mnapatana huko watu sijui 900 watu hata mlikuwa nao sijui primary gani. So hopefully, I don't know if it will be the same this year. I don't know, but I'll show you guys the vibes, of course. We're here! The birthday boy!
Birthday boy.
In my favorite color.
I'm matching your hair color.
The jackets and my hair are matching. Make sure mwambie Bara happy birthday for comments.
For sure. I appreciate
Yeah.
everyone.
How you feeling?
Feeling good, older.
Last one. Are you feeling wiser?
In Nairobi to make you feel wiser, whether you like it or not. It doesn't have to take a year.
Yeah.
Just existing.
Yeah. You just become wiser.
For it.
By the I'm also with Frida. Yeah. Nakaa poa. Your face can never decline.
Oh.
With no makeup. With no makeup.
No makeup.
Look at these glasses, guys. How cute. I bought Bara glasses. Alizipoteza last year. Kununulia kitu tena. Look at here. Let's go to Okay, I'm so sorry. The whole gang in the middle of the night. Hi! We're going to stay in this place. Hi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Bara! Happy birthday!
I love you too, all of you.
Good morning, Dr. Squad. It's Monday. Sawa. After you saw me, life happened, you know. Actually didn't stay that long. I think I ended up leaving an hour after that last clip. And I just spent my whole weekend with Bday. Okay? I was just living life. So anyway, it's Monday and I've already checked into work, so it's over lunch hour and I've just passed by to come get my nails quickly, then I head back to work and then I have another meeting on Gong Road. So yeah, I've just gotten to Kevo's place, but then I realized we have parked, actually maybe I can drive as we head there, we have parked is the wrong side, so I need to go around the mall and just go to where he is. How are you? just got back to the office and I've passed by, there's a place up where we usually buy food. I've gotten pork, kachumbari, greens and rice, and this is what my nails look like. You guys have seen. Yeah, so I need to eat, then I have some work to catch up on because